This is the unboxing of the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Okay, so first we got a box of accessories, it looks like. I'll just get that out, set that aside for the minute. At the bottom there is the drone. Okay, I'll put the box aside. So that is the way the drone comes out of the box. You've got a few covers and things. This is a propeller protector, also holds the arms in. So yeah, we can take that off. It's a little bit tricky, I've been told, to get on and off. Put that over there for the time being. So then you also have a camera and gimbal protector on the front. So take that off. It clips off. Trust me, it clips off. Yeah, there you go. Actually, you can sit that there. Now it's got a lot of different things holding this gimbal, so for the first time you're going to have to take them off. So you've got this one here holding the top of the gimbal, and you've got some all around the camera you're going to have to get off. Just be careful with the camera, it is sensitive. Don't do this when it's on, I'd say. And you may do something to the motor, maybe not, but maybe. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Now there's also another protection here, another foam. I think that's it. I'll be rechecking it before I use it. I'd say you probably should too. So that's actually the bottom of the drone. So this is the top. Battery, so USB-C, SD card. This is the on and off button. Yes, on and off. And your battery, you can't, doesn't look like you can take it in and out without extending the arms. So yeah, probably the same as the previous versions. So yeah, you have to open up the arms to be able to get to the clips to hold the battery. We won't worry about that. You can charge the battery while it's in the drone. Okay, so yes, you got sensors at the front. These are supposed to be side, or they're sort of semi-side, semi-rear facing sensors, but it does have sensors supposedly to look towards the side for object avoidance. And the rear sensors must be these ones here. No, that's vents, so it's not that. Maybe those two sensors do both, or there may be some more under these arms, but I'm not going to open that up at the moment. So I'm going to set the drone down here, put the cover over here, and we'll go into this accessories box. Okay, so we'll open up the accessories box, see what we've got in here. Remote control, some instructions. Of course I'm a typical male, so I'm not going to look at them just yet. USB-C cable, some spare propellers. Okay, there's an A and a B propeller. I guess that's a spare pair of propellers, one for front or rear, I imagine. A screwdriver. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. Yeah. There's the propellers. Okay, move that box. That's empty now. Yeah. Onto the controller. This is so this is the newer type of controller with the screen. You can get these, or quite a few of the drones, with the controller that doesn't have a screen. You use your mobile phone with it. This one doesn't need the phone. I haven't used it before, but that is the controller. Feels quite nice to hold onto. The screen's a decent size. I've got a couple of Samsung phones, and I think they're about 6-inch screen roughly. This looks to be at least that, maybe a touch more, but you can look up the specs. I don't need to tell you that. Okay. There's the little knobs for the remote control stored here. Probably I'll be putting them in and leaving them in. I'll probably find a soft case so they don't get damaged or whatever. I don't think I could be bothered taking them on and off all the time. Okay, so this actually has to be charged as well. So some kits come with a charger where you can plug all the batteries and plug this controller and the drone, I guess, in together. I'm not doing that. I'm just doing separate USB-C, again USB-C, and micro SD cards here. So I don't know how much charge they come with. I guess I can turn it on and see what it says. It looks from those two indicators, maybe it's half charged. Anyway, I'd say charge this up properly. Charge up the drone battery or batteries, depending how many you've got. Charge them all up properly. Probably need a decent USB-C charger, I'd say. Something with a PD output maybe, or something with probably at least 30 watts or so of output. Most of mine are 50 or 60, so they should charge all this no problem. I don't know what will happen if you use like a 10 or 15 watt charger. Maybe the batteries won't get to capacity, or maybe it'll just do it but a lot slower. That's something I haven't tried. You can try it, but I'd be checking the battery charge before you start flying. Yeah, so that's the unboxing, I guess. Drone. This is on my kit, which is not the basic one, but drone. Battery's already inside the drone. Controller with screen. Spare propellers. Screwdriver, which, yeah, I don't know. USB-C cable, which looks rather short. I don't like them as short as that, but they probably give you that. They probably give you a short one like that. Due to resistance, you probably get a better voltage. So probably use the original one unless you're fairly handy with electrical things and you understand how all this works. The cover. Yeah, well, that camera on the front there sticks out a fair bit. On a lot of things I probably wouldn't bother with covers and things because I carry them in bags, or I'm fairly careful. But with this, I think I'd be putting that that cover back on anytime you're transporting this or not using it, because even if you probably hit this with your hand accidentally or drop it on a table or something, even though the motor's not on, I wouldn't trust not damaging that. And I don't know about for other people. The only reason to have this is, for me, it's a flying camera. I'm not interested in flying, I'm only interested in the camera. So yeah, I don't want to damage that camera. Of course it has to be able to fly, but yeah, I guess some people buy these because they like to just fly around. But yeah, I want the best performance out of the camera, so I'll be leaving the cover on there, and I'd probably say that probably not a bad habit. Anyway, I think that's it.